You Are Getting Sleepy by Lori Alexander. Tick-tock, peek at the clock. It's time to sleep, sweet baby. 7:13 p.m. First, a bath to soak, relax. Are you getting sleepy? No more fun. Next, diaper, jammies, turn down lights. Soon you'll get so sleepy. Let's listen to a story, then a cozy lullaby. La la la. Now are you sleepy? No, wants more fun. Tired eyes are all around. You are getting sleepy. Very sleepy. Look, all sleeping. You're still awake? Where's my sleepy baby? Uh-oh. One more cuddle, one more kiss, and one more whisper just for you. Kiss, kiss. Sweet dreams, my sleeping sleepy baby. The end.